Hello guys, this is Mero Platinum and I'm just doing a review video of LCD writing pad. Yeah, and before I used to write with this normal copy and normal pen. Actually it was also good, but the problem is that you have to use the more papers, and using more paper means using more trees. So for that we have to cut down the trees. And also I have been using a lot of copies papers. That's why I need to turn on the eco-friendly ones. For that I bring a LCD writing pad that cost me about 1000, or we say 950, and the cost for this delivery charges 80 rupees. So now let's see the unboxing video. For you, I'm doing this unboxing video, but I already unbox it, and for the YouTube purpose I'm doing the unboxing video. Here you can see that I have this ordered this tablet, this 10-inch LCD writing and drawing board tablet at the price is not mentioned here, but I have bought it at 950 rupees and 80 rupees for this shipping charges. Actually I'm a medical student and I need to write and need to study by writing and also by mugging up. That's why I bought this 10-inch LCD writing tablet board and tablet. Let's do the shooting. Here it is, this one is a LCD writing tablet disc, and it says say goodbye to the paper. That's pretty good, but we have to listen, we have to see the things, attention things that has mentioned here, that blah blah blah. You will get yourself LCD if you are interested in this writing LCD writing tablet. Here say goodbye to the papers, and that is good for you because it is eco-friendly. It is, you say, okay, let's go to the unboxing thing before I mention the things, because you may buy it your own, you may buy your own one. Let's see, as a seal, it's pretty hard to open the thing with your own one hand. Means one hand you are recording and with your mobile, and in one hand you are unboxing. Oh, look how I'm just pulling out this seat. Okay, there is, it's a back cover, it's a back cover, and this is the front of this LCD writing tablet, and you can see a button here. And this one is just this is LCD screen like your normal tablet, or we say LCD TV. And here is a means there may be the battery, and here's a lock option. You can do it unlock and lock. Is a pen for you to write. And this is the 10-inch LCD writing tablet. Only I think 8.5 inch is the writing space. You can see here nicely, and you can see the comparison. We can see that it's just, it's normal to the writing paper, just like A4 paper. Only a half and 2 inch is smaller. That's okay for me because I need to write continuously. I don't care if it is small or big. I just need to write it for a long period. That's why I bought this from the daraz. Actually I was searching for this writing board so that I can do the lectures video. But I see, when I see that when I see that LCD writing board, and I just search for this writing board, and I also find this one. That's very luckily I get this tablet. Otherwise I didn't used to search for this tablet, and my exam is coming near, and it will be quite helpful for me. I guess you like this video and it may be helpful for you, so that you can get your own ones. um, Saying goodbye myself. See you all YouTubers, all viewers. Like, comment and subscribe for my video. That's bye.